Welcome to Money Top Videos, free 15 online tips for making money niches. Making money online has become an accessible and lucrative endeavor for many people. Whether you're looking to earn a side income or establish a full-fledged online business, there are numerous opportunities available. In this video, we'll explore 15 proven methods to make money online, covering everything from freelancing to domain flipping. Each method includes detailed explanations to help you get started and succeed. In the digital age, the internet provides endless opportunities to make money. With the right approach and dedication, you can create multiple income streams that fit your skills and interests. This guide covers various online money-making strategies, providing insights and tips to help you embark on your 1. Freelancing, freelance platforms, online work. Freelancing allows you to offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. Popular freelance services include writing, graphic design, web development, and digital marketing. Platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. How to start. Create a professional profile showcasing your skills and portfolio. Bid on projects and set competitive rates. Building a strong portfolio and gathering positive reviews will help attract more clients. 2. E-commerce, online store, drop shipping. Starting an online store is a popular way to make money. You can sell physical products, digital goods, or use drop shipping to fulfill orders without holding inventory. Platforms: Shopify, Etsy, eBay. How to start. Choose a niche and source products. Set up your store with high-quality photos and descriptions. Use social media and SEO strategies to drive traffic to your site. 3. Content creation. YouTube, blogging. Creating engaging content can be a profitable venture. Platforms like YouTube and personal blogs allow you to share your expertise and interests with a wide audience. YouTube. Focus on niches such as tech reviews, tutorials, or vlogging. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Blogging. Write about topics you are passionate about. Monetize with ads, Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. 4. Affiliate marketing, passive income, product promotion. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning commissions on sales made through your referral links. Programs: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale. How to start. Build a platform blog, YouTube, social media with a substantial following. Choose products relevant to your audience and promote them genuinely. 5. Online courses, webinars, e-learning. Sharing your knowledge through online courses and webinars can be highly lucrative. Create structured courses or live webinars on subjects you are knowledgeable about. Platforms: Udemy, Teachable, Coursera. How to start. Identify a niche, create high-quality content, and use these platforms to host and sell your courses. Promote through social media and email marketing. 6. Stock photography. Sell photos online, photography income. If you have a talent for photography, you can sell your images on stock photography websites. Platforms: Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images. How to start. Capture high-quality images and upload them to stock photography sites. Regularly add new photos to increase your portfolio and sales. 7. Virtual assistants, remote work, administrative support. Offering administrative support and other services as a virtual assistant is a flexible way to make money online. Services administrative tasks. Customer service, social media management, finding clients, network, use job boards or platforms like virtual assistant jobs. How to start. Create a profile showcasing your skills and experience. Offer competitive rates. To build a client base showcase and gather testimonials, 8 print-on-demand custom products. Online design business print-on-demand allows you to create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding inventory platforms. Printful, Teespring, Redbubble. How to start designing unique graphics, set up a store on print-on-demand platforms, and market your products through social media and SEO. 9. Self-publishing. eBooks, writing income. If you enjoy writing, consider self-publishing eBooks or creating niche-specific newsletters. Platforms. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. How to start, write, and format your ebook, then publish it on KDP. Promote your book through social media, email lists, and book promotion sites. 10. Podcasting, audio content, sponsorship. Podcasting is an excellent way to share your thoughts and expertise with a global audience. Content. Discuss topics of interest such as personal development, technology, or entertainment. Monetization. Sponsorships, listener donations, premium content subscriptions. How to start. Choose a niche, create engaging content, and upload your podcasts to platforms like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or Google Podcasts. Grow your audience through social media and cross-promotion with other podcasters. 11 online surveys. Market research. Paid surveys. Participating in online surveys and market research studies can provide a steady stream of extra income. Platforms. Swagbucks, Survey Junkie. Vindale Research. How to start. Sign up for multiple survey sites. Complete your profile to qualify for more surveys and start participating in available surveys. 12 online tutoring. Teach. English tutoring platforms. Teaching and tutoring online are rewarding ways to share your knowledge and earn money. Platforms. VIP Kid, iTalki, Chegg Tutors, Wise Ant. Subjects. Teach English online. Academics, subjects or test preparation. How to start. Create a profile on tutoring platforms, lists your qualifications and subjects, and start connecting with students. Offer trial lessons to attract new clients. 13. Social media management, digital marketing, online presence. Managing social media accounts for businesses can be a profitable endeavor if you have a knack for creating engaging content. Services. Manage social media accounts, create content, engage with followers. Tools. Hootsuite, Buffer. How to start. Build a portfolio with case studies of successful social media campaigns. Reach out to small businesses or use freelance platforms to find clients. 14. App testing, website testing, user experience. Testing apps and websites for usability and functionality issues is an easy way to earn money online. Platforms. User testing, try MyUI. How to start. Sign up on testing platforms, complete initial assessments, and start testing. Provide detailed and constructive feedback to earn more opportunities. 15. Domain flipping. Buy and sell domains. Domain trading. Buying and selling domain names can be a lucrative business if you have an eye for valuable domains. Platforms. GoDaddy, Flippa. How to start. Research valuable or trending domain names, purchase them at low costs, and sell them for a profit on domain auction sites. Use tools to appraise domain value and market trends. Finally, making money online offers endless possibilities, whether you want to earn a side income or build a full-time business by leveraging your skills and interests. You can explore various methods such as freelance and the e-commerce and content creation. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and adapt to changes to succeed in the ever-evolving digital landscape. As it's said, if you imagine it, you can do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and write your comments below. What was your best tip in the video?